The secret that shook the world might now be close to being solved. For 11 years, the disappearance of Malaysian Airlines Flight MH370 has remained a great aviation mystery. But now, a new search mission has begun, exploring the depths of the Indian Ocean using the most advanced deep-sea technology in a way that has never been tried before. Just imagine 239 passengers and crew vanished suddenly as if the ocean had swallowed them. Searches were conducted around the world, all kinds of theories emerged, but no trace was found. The first 2 missions failed, only a few pieces were found on distant shores. Millions of people have been stuck between hope and despair. But this time, everything could be different. An organization named Ocean Infinity is searching for MH370 in a new way. They are using highly advanced underwater drones that can go as deep as 6 kilometers and scan nearly every corner of the ocean non-stop for up to 100 hours. Even the smallest objects are being detected. If the plane's wreckage is found, it will be the biggest breakthrough in aviation history. But the Indian Ocean is an extremely dangerous place, waves up to 60 feet high, storms, and no support nearby. If anything goes wrong, help might not arrive for days. But taking the risk is necessary. If this mission succeeds, the truth might finally come to light. What really happened that night? Was it a mechanical failure, a pilot's mistake, or some other conspiracy? But there's a twist in this search operation. Ocean Infinity is conducting the search without any confirmed deal. Their contract has not yet been finalized with the Malaysian government. If the plane isn't found, they won't get a single dollar. But if they do find it, they'll receive $70 million. And let us also tell you this is their second attempt. The first search in 2018 completely failed.